Hello, this video is to demonstrate our new asset capture app. Now, because of COVID, it's difficult to go to sites, so this demo will be based on a boiler in my garage. But if you can imagine a situation where this boiler is just one of many assets that we need to capture and tag. The first thing we do is we can set up the asset in the asset database, or we can create it as we go. So I've already created this one. So we're gonna tag it. And the first thing it asks you is the digital compass. So what we've got to do is you've got to move your phone in a figure of 8. It just calibrates it. Once we've done that, we click the button and we select the detection system that we want from this. And I'll just take you through. There's different ways we can capture it, but we'll start with points of interest. First of all, we're just going to take that confidence level down a little bit, and we're going to start. So you'll start to see the points of interest appearing on the asset. They're the red ones as we move in and out around the asset. And these are the ones that we're going to click on to capture the asset. There are another way of doing it. I'll demonstrate that in a second. And different ways are helpful. Okay, we've turned green. So next stage is to tap one of these. So we've tapped on that asset, and now we're going to find the asset. So we want to find here a boiler. So we're going to tap on that, and we give it an anchor type. So for this one, we'll approach scan. So we've just scanned it. This is captured now using augmented reality, the geolocation of this asset. Now imagine a situation where, as an engineer, I've either come to inspect this asset or I've come to repair the asset. What I would do is locate the asset, and I've got options here. I can, if I know what it is, I can either click on it, so I'll do that. So we'll click on gas boiler, and there may be more than one gas boiler, or there may be only one. So I can select the asset group and it will bring up all the assets. So now I begin scanning for assets. And there you can see that star appear. So we've used this as a star at the moment. It could be anything, to be honest with you. And if I click on that star, you'll see that it comes up with the gas boiler. So this is the augmented reality tag that is fixed by geolocation to that asset, so it's always there. Now imagine a situation where we're going to build this next, where I click on this and I'll then have an option of whether to either inspect that asset or fix that asset. If I press inspect the asset, I'll be able to put the INS number in, and I'll also raise, for this particular asset, a gas inspection form that I need to complete for the inspection of this asset. Or I could be fixing the asset, and again I'll put the DLO number in, and that's really all I need on here now. So the idea is that we would keep a full audit history and trail of what's happened with this asset. If I need to fix the asset, if I've inspected it and there's something wrong with it and I need to put a fix in place, then I'll also have the option to raise a request, a corrective work request that goes back to the help desk.